Today I want to show you how to identify red mulberries, how to pick red mulberries, and best of all, how to eat red mulberries. These tasty purple fruits are kind of a mild version of a blackberry, and so while I'm waiting for my blackberries to ripen, this tides me over during the month of June. Red mulberries can be found along creek banks, they can be found along fence rows, they can be found along the edge of fields, and even in your yard like we have here. Red mulberries are one of the few trees in Missouri that have 3 different shapes of leaves on the same plant. All of these will be serrated, but the first type you'd have is this kind of spear-shaped leaf. Then you have what I call more of a mitten-style leaf. And then finally we have this 3-toed leaf where you have the 3 main lobes, but all of them are serrated and they are all found on the same tree. Now there's a trick you need to know about identifying fruit-bearing mulberries. Red mulberries are what you would call dioecious, and that is the fancy botanical term for male and female trees. Most red mulberry trees are either going to be male or female, and you can identify them and flag them in the spring. Our kids love spending time picking these and eating them right off of the tree, and you can always tell when they've been into the mulberries because they're stained head to toe. You can see I'm already stained up right here. Our favorite way to use these mulberries are, of course, fresh eating. Our kids really enjoy using them in their many concoctions. Their favorite concoction would be mulberry stew. Now, my favorite way to eat mulberries would be my bride's delicious mulberry crisp. We'll have a link at the end of this video to show you how we make that mulberry crisp so you can enjoy it during the month of June. Now that you know how to find them and how to eat them, get outside and enjoy this warmer weather and pick you some mulberries. This is midnight, and while she hopes you're not staying up that late to watch this video, we want to thank you for watching and hope that we've earned your subscription.